Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cleaning out this disgusting refrigerator. I have been looking at this mess for so long and been wanting to do a video on it, and honestly things just kept getting in the way, but I was finally determined on this day to get it done. And of course I'm going to take you along with me. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Lynn. I do weekly cleaning motivation as well as DIY and crafts, hauls, vlogs, all things mommyhood. So this is my nasty refrigerator. If you guys are just meeting me, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you join me on this journey. So I'm just showing you what it looks like now, and I did not make it look worse than it is. This is really it. There go my boys. I am a mama of 5. If you guys are new with me, so you will see my kids all throughout my videos. So first thing I'm going to do is just get everything out of it. I am going to go through all of the condiments and the stuff that's in the fridge, get rid of what I don't need or what we don't want or what is expired. So these are some of the bins that were in the refrigerator already, so I'm going to go ahead and scrub all of it. I've got some warm water, my Mrs. Meyer's basil scent cleanser, and I'm going to give everything a good scrub. All of these bins were purchased at Marshall's many years ago. I believe it's called Entered Signs, and they still have them. They were only $5 or $6. I can't really remember right now. I've also pulled out the shelves in the fridge, and I'm going to wash those down as well with warm water. I'm going to use my Method antibacterial spray and spray the door and the walls of the fridge as well as these shelves and let that soak while I clean the rest of these. It makes it so convenient to be able to pull these out and clean them, and they definitely needed it. It had a lot of grossness on there. I don't know what in the world was all over them. It was kind of disgusting. Now I'm going to take my walnut scrubber from the Grove Collaborative and just clean off the walls and get some of this grossness off. I know I keep saying that word, but it really was disgusting. I noticed that it needed something stronger, so I'm going to use my scrubber here. I actually got this scrubber from Marshall's as well for like $3. I want to get the walnut one from Grove Collaborative, but I think I'm going to do that in my next order. So I noticed some of the spots weren't coming out as easy as I would like, so I'm using this Super Clean. This is some of the same stuff I used in my oven. It is tough enough to be used in an oven and gentle enough to be used in the fridge, and I love it because it was a spray foam. Look at this. It completely coats it, and it was so good at cleaning the fridge. Now I'm going to give all the shelves a good scrub down as well with the warm water and Mrs. Meyer's. Now I'm coming back in with my cloth, and I am wiping down the walls of the fridge and some of the things that I can't take out. And the Super Clean did an amazing job. I could not believe how much stuff just came right up. I just wiped it and it was off, and I love it. This video is not sponsored by them by any means, but I just want to let you guys know when I have a good product, I'm going to tell you all about it, and it was incredible. So now I'm going to add the shelves back in there, and I'm just going to wipe them down with a dry microfiber cloth to get some of the moisture off of them while I put them back in the fridge.
I loved you without no doubts, but I need love to stay alive. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on it, give me nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break them.
So this is what it looks like all clean. It is like it is brand spanking new.
Every time I go, brings back your love, back your love.
So this is everything put back in the fridge, but this is when I decided to be just a little bit extra. I figured I was just going to go ahead and label everything. So I've got my butter on the top, my sauces, milk there in the door for easy grabbing for the kids and ourselves, stuff for our sandwiches, and condiments on the bottom. And Ruby is very pleased, you guys. Do you see that? She is quite impressed with her mom's skills.
You break them down. Oh, every time I go, brings back your love, your love, your love. See, I'm building walls, you break them down, break them down. Oh, you break them down. Oh, every time I go, brings back your love, back your love.
So here is the freezer side. I've got all the kids' breakfast sandwiches and Uncrustables on the bottom, and that's just easy keeping for them. Got my gluten-free bread on the bottom and my dairy-free ice cream. I did not label this side. I'm still on the fence. I don't know how the labels will do in the freezer, so I just kind of left it out. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my little family. Also, don't forget to like this video if you like videos like these, so I can make sure I keep delivering. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did enjoy doing it. I love the way it looks. I feel so much better with how everything turned out, and my kids can put things away properly. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
But they all disappear, they will let you down, so